it's Promise from Polish by Promise. I hope you guys are having a great day. I have a great technique to show you guys today. Last night I had a shower, braided up my hair, so it's the perfect opportunity to show you guys this great technique. So if you like that really big, really full-bodied, crimped look, then this is the technique for you. So this technique is damage-free. There's no heat involved, and it's so much quicker than using a crimping iron or a curling iron. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is remove all your elastics from your braids, and then I'm going to start working all these little stitches out. You can use your thumb, or you can use a comb for this, but try not to brush your stitches because you don't want to get it frizzy. You want to keep all these strands really tightly together before you put the product, because you're definitely going to want to seal your beautiful crimped look with some gel. So like either a serum or like a level 2 gel. I always use like a thick serum because it gives it all that shine. It takes away all the frizz, protects it against humidity and rain, and just really seals in that style. So just working each stitch out. So depending on your braid sizes will give you a different look. So the front one here was a lot tighter braid, and then this one was really had big stitches because it was a bigger section I took. So if you want all your crimped strands to be uniform and all the same size, then you're going to want to keep your braids the same size. If you want your hair to have a really, really fine crimped look, then you're going to want to do micro braids, really teeny thin braids. If you want that bigger, more of a wave style, then do thicker braids. It's all up to you. Oh, I love this look. It's so gorgeous, so sexy. And it takes so long to crimp it with one of those crimping irons. And you know, I've yet to find one at the beauty supplies that are wide, like they used to be, like 3 inches. I cannot find one anywhere. They are just like really, really thin, like 1.5 inch flat irons now. So I usually use this method. And I suggest as well that you don't braid all the way down to the end, because if you do, this is going to be like super, super kinky down here, and it's not really going to look right, because it's going to be braided really, really fine, and this is going to be so much loose. The waves are going to be looser, so it's not going to look the same. So this is it without product, so you're not going to want to like run your fingers through it and stuff. Not yet. You have to seal it with that product. The more we play with it, the frizzier it's going to get, the looser it's going to get, and we want to keep those nice, tight, kinky crimps in there. Trying to hurry for you guys. There's one. And maybe what I'll do is I'll show you now. So I swear by this product. I've shown you guys before. So the Babyliss 12-step treatment. And I'm going to use my Kenra Taffy serum. Oh, it smells so good. And what you're going to want to do is emulsify it. So warm it up, work it around, even distribution all over your hands. Okay, and then you're going to want to just start working it in. This is going to hold all that crimp in. I have a lot of hair, so I'm going to use a lot. So I get it on there first. All different areas. And then start to kind of brush it in. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Gorgeous. Okay. Tame those flyaways, girl. Like, look at this body. Oh, there goes an earring. My bad. And you're going to want to get those ends. And off the back. Okay. Now that I showed you that, we'll continue on. And you know what you can do is put a little product on your fingers. And when you're taking it out, you can apply it like that as well. If you live somewhere where there's a lot of humidity and you want to get that product on there quick. Okay, there's one. And I think this is my last one. Yeah. So this is a really thin micro braid. And this one is a lot kinkier. As you can see, it's a lot kinkier. Oh yeah. Come on. It's getting knotted, this one. It's getting knotted. This one's naughty. It's okay. We're going to tame it now with a little bit more product. Even it out. Warm it up. And you do this with your gel too. Then you can hit it with some hairspray once you're done. But I suggest a really light hold hairspray. You don't want your hair crispy and you don't want it to all stick together. You want this to be full of body and movement. You know, like where it just is bouncy. You don't want it to be stuck together in like one crispy thing. So from here, you could do any style you want, girl. You know, it has so much body too. Oh, I love it.